Okay, in the syllabus, I mentioned something called Gizmo Labs. This is something that we're going to use. It's a way of doing virtual labs or virtual online learning by doing the labs. We can use this when we don't have the necessary equipment, or in my case here, starting at the beginning of this school year, not being able to get into small groups. This will allow us to still do some lab work. Okay, in order to access a Gizmo Labs, we have to go to explorelearning.com. So what I would like you to do is now open up another window in your browser. Okay, so in my case, I'm simply going to open another window here at Google. And I am simply going to type in explorelearning.com. And that is going to take me to this web page right here. This is where we are going to start and get you enrolled into Gizmos. Right here at the top, you'll see where it says to log in or enroll. So simply click on that, and you're going to get this window to pop up. It says username, password, and then down here it's going to say enroll in class, and it's going to ask for a class code. At this time, we are only going to do the class code. Again, at this time, we are only doing the class code. So what is your class code? That depends on if you're on my 2G course or my 3G course. You might want a piece of paper now to write these down so that you don't have to keep flipping back and forth. But if you're in my 2G course for ICP, in capital letters, you're going to type in LLTD 39QW85. If you are a part of my 3G ICP course, you will type in LDLGV 4LWJQ. So at this time, type in the appropriate class code. I've already set up to have my 2G course set in and simply hit enroll in class. That is going to take you to this page. What you are going to need to do right now is go down to the green and hit register now. Now you put in your first and last name like I just did. No need to type in an email address. What you're going to do is now enter your username and password. The username and password that you are using is the same one that you use for Yorktown High School. So your username and password that you use to get into all of your Yorktown High School information is the same one you're going to use for Gizmos. Now, for my case, I'm just going to make one up here. So I'm just going to simply go by, excuse me here, Sci Guy 202. And I'm going to create a password for that. And then you will have to confirm your password. So once you have put in your name, first name, last name, and put in again your username and password for Yorktown High Schools, using that and confirming that, you're simply going to submit. And that is going to take you to this class right here. You should be able to see my that I am your teacher. Right now I do not have any gizmos in here, but once I have them in here, you will be able to see and click on them and do the gizmos that you need to be doing. All right. So again, thank you, and make sure that you are signed in for that.